Sometimes the simplest combinations give the most surprising results. In the world of beauty and skincare, we often find ourselves overwhelmed by the sheer number of products available. From high-end serums to exotic oils, the choices are endless. But what if we told you that a simple mixture of Vaseline and egg could be just as effective, if not more so? And the mix of Vaseline and egg is one of those hidden gems in beauty care. This combination might sound unusual, but it has been a secret weapon for many who swear by its benefits. The rich, moisturizing properties of Vaseline, combined with the nourishing proteins found in eggs, create a powerful duo that can transform your beauty routine. This easy, old-fashioned remedy is a powerful treatment for your skin and hair. Whether you're dealing with dry patches, dullness, or even split ends, this mixture can help rejuvenate and restore. The Vaseline locks in moisture, creating a protective barrier, while the egg provides essential nutrients that promote healing and growth. And once you try it, you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. Imagine waking up to softer, smoother skin and shinier, healthier hair. This simple, cost-effective remedy is not only easy to make but also incredibly effective. So why not give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself? This mixture becomes a powerful deep skin moisturizer, and Wrinkle Fighter egg yolk is rich in healthy fats, vitamins A, D, E, and proteins that nourish and tighten the skin. Vaseline locks in moisture, forming a protective barrier and softening the skin. How to use. Mix 1 egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Apply as a face mask, avoiding the eyes. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Result: super soft, plump, and hydrated skin with reduced appearance of fine lines. It can also act as the ultimate hair mask for dry, damaged hair. Egg strengthens hair strands thanks to its protein content. Vaseline seals in moisture and reduces split ends. How to use: mix 1 whole egg with 1 teaspoon Vaseline. Apply to hair ends, not the scalp. Cover with a shower cap and leave for 30 minutes. Wash out thoroughly with shampoo. Dry skin and cracked heels repair. Apply the mixture directly on rough areas like elbows, knees, or heels. Leave overnight with socks or gloves. Result: intensely repaired, smooth skin by morning. Why it works. This combo provides a powerful boost of healthy fats and proteins from the egg, a long-lasting moisture barrier from Vaseline, and vitamins that nourish skin and hair. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. What is the science behind skin aging? Unlocking the potential of egg and Vaseline. Skin aging is a complex biological process influenced by numerous internal and external factors. As we age, our skin undergoes significant transformations that impact its appearance, texture, and overall health. The combination of egg and Vaseline represents a fascinating natural approach to combating these age-related changes, offering a holistic solution that addresses multiple aspects of skin wellness. The biology of skin aging. Skin aging occurs through 2 primary mechanisms: intrinsic aging, which is genetically determined, and extrinsic aging, which is environmentally induced. Intrinsic aging is a natural process characterized by decreased collagen production, reduced cell turnover, and diminished natural moisture retention. Extrinsic aging, conversely, results from external factors like UV radiation, pollution, lifestyle choices, and oxidative stress. Egg, a nutritional powerhouse for skin regeneration. Eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They are a complex matrix of nutrients that can dramatically support skin health. Protein composition. Egg whites contain pure protein that helps rebuild and repair skin tissue. Proteins are fundamental building blocks for collagen and elastin, the structures that maintain skin's firmness and elasticity. Amino acids in eggs support cellular regeneration and help combat the breakdown of skin's structural integrity. Vitamin profile. Vitamin A crucial for cell regeneration and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Vitamin D supports skin cell growth, helps create healthy skin cells, and can reduce inflammation. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins work synergistically to combat oxidative stress and support skin's natural healing processes. Mineral content. Selenium protects skin from sun damage and supports overall skin health. Zinc assists in skin repair and helps regulate oil production. These minerals play critical roles in maintaining skin's resilience and preventing premature aging. Vaseline, the ultimate moisture barrier. Petroleum jelly, commonly known as Vaseline, is a marvel of dermatological science. Moisture retention is key. It creates an occlusive layer that locks in the skin's natural moisture. This process prevents transepidermal water loss, which, is a primary contributor to skin aging. By maintaining the skin's hydration levels, it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, let's talk about protective properties. It forms a protective shield against environmental stressors. This shield helps heal minor skin abrasions and prevents moisture-related skin damage. And it's non-comedogenic, meaning it doesn't typically clog pores. The synergistic effect of egg and Vaseline is truly something special. When these two simple ingredients are combined, they create a powerful skincare treatment that can address a variety of skin concerns. The egg, rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, provides essential nutrients that nourish the skin deeply. On the other hand, Vaseline, known for its excellent moisturizing properties, forms a protective barrier that locks in these nutrients, ensuring they are effectively absorbed by the skin. When combined, egg and Vaseline create a remarkable skincare treatment that addresses multiple aspects of skin health. This mixture is not only easy to prepare but also highly effective in delivering visible results. The egg's nutrients penetrate the skin, providing it with the necessary building blocks for repair and rejuvenation. Meanwhile, Vaseline's occlusive properties prevent moisture loss, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Enhanced moisture absorption. Egg's nutrients are effectively sealed and absorbed by Vaseline's protective barrier. This combination ensures that the skin remains hydrated for longer periods, reducing dryness and flakiness. The egg's proteins help to strengthen the skin's natural barrier, while Vaseline's emollient properties soften and smooth the skin's surface. Comprehensive skin nourishment. Proteins, vitamins, and minerals work alongside petroleum jelly's protective properties. This synergy results in a treatment that not only nourishes the skin, but also protects it from environmental stressors. The egg's vitamins, such as vitamin A and E, promote skin cell regeneration and repair, while the minerals help to maintain the skin's overall health and vitality. And it offers a holistic anti-aging approach, targeting both surface-level concerns and deeper cellular regeneration. The combination of egg and Vaseline helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a more youthful and radiant appearance. By addressing both the surface and deeper layers of the skin, this treatment provides comprehensive anti-aging benefits that can help maintain a youthful complexion over time. To maximize benefits, use the mixture 1 to 2 times weekly. Apply to clean, dry skin. Gently massage to promote absorption. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow with a light moisturizer. While incredibly beneficial, users should be mindful of potential allergic reactions. Always patch test before full application. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients and avoid applying on broken or severely irritated skin. The egg and Vaseline combination represents more than a home remedy. It's a testament to the power of understanding natural ingredients. Skin aging is not merely about appearance. It is a reflection of our overall health and well-being. As we age, our skin undergoes various changes, influenced by both internal and external factors. These changes can affect not only how we look, but also how we feel about ourselves. The health of our skin is closely linked to the vitality of our cells. Cellular health plays a crucial role in maintaining the skin's elasticity, hydration, and resilience. Scientists are continually exploring the intricate processes that contribute to skin aging, aiming to uncover new ways to support cellular vitality. By understanding the science behind ingredients like eggs, which are rich in proteins and nutrients, we can harness their potential to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Eggs have been used in skincare for centuries, and modern research continues to reveal their benefits. Similarly, Vaseline, a time-tested remedy, provides a protective barrier that locks in moisture and supports the skin's natural healing processes. Incorporating such ingredients into our skincare routines can lead to more holistic and nurturing approaches. These approaches respect our body's natural processes and work in harmony with them. Natural skincare products, when combined with a healthy lifestyle, can significantly enhance the skin's appearance and health. The journey of skin health is ongoing, complex, and deeply personal. Each person's skin is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Embrace natural, scientifically supported solutions that nourish, protect, and celebrate your skin's remarkable capacity for renewal. Remember, your skin is a living organ that reflects your overall health. By taking a thoughtful and informed approach to skincare, you can support its natural beauty and resilience, ensuring it remains vibrant and healthy for years to come.